It's here! Okay, got it?
All right,
Yep.
pivot.
We can do it, we can do it.
Pivot.
Pivot. So this is a Christmas tree that we ordered from Amazon. This is the first year that Amazon is selling live, fresh cut 6 foot to 7 foot tall Christmas trees. You can start ordering them right now. They ship on November 19th, just in time for the holidays. Ours came via FedEx, and Amazon has said that if you live in Puerto Rico or Hawaii, unfortunately you can't get your hands on one. But we got one, and we're super excited to see what's inside. So much mess. So we got the tree on the stand. I will say I highly recommend you take it out of the box, you cut off the end, and you shake it out all outdoors, because as you can see, it is a giant mess to do this inside. So we ordered a Christmas tree from Amazon and it's gorgeous, but there are definitely pros and cons to doing this. It shows up on your front doorstep, you don't have to go to a tree lot, but you really have to put in the work to get it ready to decorate. Still, I think it's totally viable. If you live in an apartment, you don't have a car, you can't get to a tree lot, it's kind of worth doing it. Just know you have to put in a lot of extra work. You can order them starting today and they'll show up at your front door. Look, I'm trying now. I'm actually trying now.